Welcome back. This is Mr. Duclos, the lead teacher for 2C at Citizenship Academy in Syracuse. We are going to be going over our Unit 3, Lesson 3 quiz, and let's just jump right in. Number 1 says, is 15 odd or even? How do you know? I'm making the questions a little harder now. You actually have to write out your answer, not just multiple choice. So let's see. Our number is 15. And I'm going to do this using only my number facts. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 4 is 8. 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 6 is 12. 7 plus 7 is 14. 8 plus 8 is 16. And so I can see that none of my doubles facts gets me to 15. So I know that it's odd. But also, I can see that 14 is 1 away. So if 7 plus 7 is 14, 7 plus 7 plus 1 is 15. And both of those means it's odd. If you can't make a doubles out of it, or you can make a doubles plus 1, then it is an odd number. So on our quiz, we should write, I know that 15 is an odd number because I cannot make two equal groups. And if you make a spelling mistake like I just did, that's okay. All right, let's move on to the next question. The next question says, is 12 odd or even? How do you know? Well, I'll do this one with pictures. So our new number is 12, and I'm going to draw it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And from my picture, I can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 on the bottom and 6 on the top. I got 6 up here and I have 6 down here. So I have 2 equal groups, which means that it is even. So for number 2, is 12 even or odd? How do you know? You'll write something like 12 is an even number because you can make 2 equal groups of 6. And again, don't worry about your spelling. All right, let's move on to the next question. Which is an odd number? We have 12, 8, 9, and 6. Well, we know that if we do our doubles facts, that's going to give us all of the even numbers. So let's do our doubles facts again and see what we see. We have 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 4 is 8. 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 6 is 12. 7 plus 7 is 14. And I don't think we need to go any higher than that. So then we look at our numbers. Which is an odd number? 12. Well, 12 is not an odd number because you can make 2 groups of 6. 8. 8's not an odd number because you can make 2 groups of 4. 9. 9. Now let's see. We have 4, 6, 8, 10. Well, 9 would go right here. But it doesn't fit, so we know that it's an odd number. So therefore, we know that the answer to number 3 is 9. And then just to double check, we'll look at 6. But as we can see, 6 is right here with 2 equal groups of 3. So we know that it is even. So the answer to that question, your third question, is 9. 9 is an odd number. And then our last question says, which number is an even number? Well, again, I have my doubles facts up, so I can just go through them. Is 7 an even number? 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. It's not. 7 would go right in here, 7. But it doesn't, so it's an odd number. What about 6? Well, 6 we know is an even number because it's right here. 2 groups of 3 make 6. 2 equal groups of 3 make 6. So that would be our answer. But again, when we do multiple choice, we should look at every answer so we know we're getting it right. So we look at the next one, number 5. We can see number 5 is not here. It would go right in between 5 and 6. So it's an odd number. And we have 3. 3 would go in between 1 plus 1 equals 2, would go right in between there is 3. So that's also an odd number. So again, we know the answer to our last question, which number is an even number, is 6. All right, that ends our lesson for today. Have a great rest of your day. Please go do 30 minutes of Lexia lessons, as each lesson is tailored specifically for your needs. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.